Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. This presentation focuses on Diagnostic Trouble Code DTC P0122, which indicates a low voltage problem in the Throttle Position Sensor A circuit for the Honda Accord models from 2012 to 2017. The engine type in question is K24W1. The electronic throttle control system is responsible for regulating the throttle valve's opening based on the driver's input via the accelerator pedal. The components involved include the TP sensors A and B, which send data to the powertrain control module, PCM. If the PCM detects that the signal from TP sensor A remains constant over a defined period, it flags a malfunction and stores this trouble code. Understanding the roles of each component in this system is crucial for diagnosing and resolving issues linked to DTC P0122. To prevent future occurrences of DTC P0122 and its associated throttle control problems, regular inspections of the throttle position sensors should be incorporated into standard vehicle maintenance routines. This should include checking for any sign of wear or damage that could compromise the functionality of these sensors. Additionally, it is important to monitor the health of the wiring connections leading to the sensor. Any corroded or damaged wiring can lead to issues down the line. Staying proactive in detecting and addressing electrical issues helps ensure that the throttle control system continues to operate as designed, maintaining vehicle safety and efficiency. In summary, understanding DTC P0122 is crucial to maintaining proper functionality within the Honda Accord's throttle control system. This DTC indicates a low voltage condition from TP sensor A, leading to a range of performance-related symptoms. Standard troubleshooting steps involve verifying ignition conditions, monitoring output signals, inspecting wiring, and potentially replacing the sensor itself. Regular diagnostics and preventive maintenance are vital to ensuring that issues do not arise unexpectedly. Addressing problems early on not only enhances vehicle performance, but also safeguards against more severe risks, ensuring a smooth and responsive driving experience for Honda Accord owners. DTC P0122 indicates an issue with the throttle position TP sensor A circuit, which is key to the electronic throttle control system. This system includes components such as the throttle actuator and TP sensors A and B. The TP sensor A is a semiconductor type mounted directly on the throttle body and is physically attached to the throttle shaft. Its primary role is to relay the position of the throttle valve to the PCM, allowing for precise control of engine power. The throttle valve will adjust its opening based on the data received from the TP sensors, influencing vehicle acceleration. When TP sensor A outputs a voltage of 0.3 volts or less for a duration of 200 milliseconds, the PCM registers this as a significant error, leading to the activation of the DTC P0122. There are several potential causes for DTC P0122. The first is a failure of the TP sensor A itself, which could be due to wear or internal damage, preventing it from functioning properly. Another possibility is that the THL1 line, which transmits signal information to the PCM, has developed a short to ground, disrupting the normal operation of the sensor. Additionally, an open VCC line could mean that power is not reaching the TP sensor A, effectively rendering it useless. Finally, there may also be an internal fault in the PCM. Each of these possibilities can lead to the sensor's inability to transmit accurate throttle position data, triggering the trouble code. When DTC P0122 is present, various symptoms typically manifest, suggesting an issue with throttle control. Most notably, the check engine light will illuminate, indicating a malfunction within the system that needs attention. Drivers may also experience poor acceleration, meaning the vehicle does not respond as expected when pressing the accelerator pedal. In more severe cases, the engine may stall unexpectedly, which poses a significant safety risk. Additionally, the throttle may become unresponsive, failing to open or close properly based on driver input. All these symptoms can severely affect the vehicle's drivability, necessitating immediate diagnostic and repair action. In the first step of troubleshooting DTC P0122, it is essential to ensure that the ignition switch is in the on position, or the engine start-stop button is in the on mode if the vehicle is equipped with keyless access. This confirms that the vehicle's electronic systems are powered up and ready for diagnostic checks. It is also crucial to verify that no other active DTCs are present that might interfere with the operation of the throttle control system. As indicated in the provided diagnostic data, active DTCs can prevent the monitor for P0122 from running effectively. This foundational step sets the stage for a safe and valid evaluation of the throttle position sensor. In this step, focus on monitoring the output from TP Sensor A. Using a multimeter or a Honda Diagnostic System HDS tool, check the voltage being returned from the sensor while the vehicle is running. Ideally, the output voltage should be within the specified range, as a low voltage reading could verify the DTC P0122 issue. If the output shows as 0.3 volts or less for at least 200 milliseconds, this confirms the problem suspected with the sensor. Understanding these voltage levels is crucial, as they directly indicate whether the sensor is functioning as intended or if further investigation on wiring and connectors is necessary. The third troubleshooting step involves a physical inspection of the wiring connected to the TP Sensor A, particularly examining the THL1 and VCC lines. First, check for any visible signs of damage, such as frayed wires, corrosion, or loose connections that could interfere with the signal transmission. The THL1 line specifically should be checked for shorts to ground, since this could cause erroneous readings. Similarly, if the VCC line is open, power would not reach the sensor, resulting in low output readings. Taking these steps can help isolate faults that may be contributing to the DTC P0122, guiding future repair actions effectively. In the fourth troubleshooting step, if the previous checks point toward a malfunctioning TP Sensor A, replace it with a new unit. After installation, it is important to verify that the new sensor communicates properly with the PCM by testing the signal voltage under normal operating conditions. This will confirm whether the replacement has resolved the issue and that the sensor is now functioning correctly. Monitoring the voltage levels post-installation should ideally show values above the low threshold previously recorded. Successful verification at this stage means that the throttle position readings can be accurately translated to the PCM, ensuring proper accelerator response and vehicle control. After completing all necessary repairs and replacements related to DTC P0122, the final step is to clear the DTC from the Powertrain Control Module PCM. This can often be accomplished using a professional scan tool that can communicate with the vehicle's onboard diagnostics. Following this, it's essential to perform a test drive or run the vehicle through a series of diagnostic cycles to confirm that the throttle control system is operating normally and that the check engine light remains off. If the DTC does not reappear after 3 consecutive trips, then the repairs can be considered successful. This thorough verification process ensures that the original issue has been genuinely resolved, providing safety and reliability. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.